You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than -7/3 greater than -21/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the fraction. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 4/3 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -2. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than -7/3 greater than -21/3.